Rated as a top pro roofer and an Owens Corning preferred contractor. Family owned and operated with over 30 years of combined experience. Expert top tier installations with affordable pricing. We do it all. Roofing, soffit, fascia, siding, and gutters. Serving all of Pittsburgh and the surrounding areas, and with 150 combined 5-star reviews and counting. Need emergency roof repair or help navigating through the insurance claim red tape? Leave it to the pros. Schedule your appointment today. 412-353-5660 or McClellandsroofing.com.